Okay, but this is not of our use for now. What we need, what our real data is the Avengers and the year 2012. We don't care about these, or the user does not care about these curly braces or square brackets or anything, right? These movies and all. What he really cares about is what is the movie and in which year it is released. So now we will do the JSON parsing. What we are getting here is the JSON, the complete JSON. Now we have to parse this JSON into a readable format or into a form that can be read. So let me first store this thing into a variable. Final JSON is this. Now let's open our JSON. So the first thing that we have here is a JSON object. So we will create a variable named JsonObject. We will name it parent object equals to new JsonObject from final JSON. Now we can have a JSON format exception or similar kind of error, JSON exception. So we have to add the catch clause. So parent object. Under that we have an array. So it is an array. So movies array. So we will write JsonArray. We will name it parent array, and it will be fetched from parent object dot get JSON array. And does our array has a name? Well, yes, it has a name, and the name of the array is movies. So we have to pass this movies in here. So what data we have fetched from here? We have passed this thing, we have passed this thing. Now what is remaining is the object itself. So we need to add one more object, JsonObject final object equals to parent array dot get JsonObject. The index we have to pass is 0, and our final object is here. From this final object, what we have is a couple of KeyValue pairs. So the first key is string. So we will fetch string movie name equals to final object dot get string, and here we have to pass the key. So what is our key for the movie name? The key is movie. The second thing that we have here is an integer, that is year 2012. And how do I know it's an integer? Well, it does not have these quotes, right? So it's an integer, or you can see by the data itself that it's an integer. So we will use int year equals to final object dot get int. And what is the key here that I have to pass? Well, I hope you can guess now. It is year. So we have movie name and the year. And now what we will be returning movie name plus the year in which it has been released. So movie name plus year, and this is what the real data was. Now let's run this project once again and let's see what happens. Let's see were we able to successfully parse the JSON or not. Okay, so it's done. And now if I click on the button hit, It will make a request on the server, and there you go. So you see Avengers 2012 is the data which we have fetched from the server. So we have successfully parsed our JSON, and this is how our JSON response will look like.